We keep seeing their eyeballs glued to us on the sidewalk, but that look could kill. They are trying so hard to find all the weaknesses inside, but it's gonna spill. Oh, can we take a minute?
So guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have something I want to unbox. Okay, let me unbox this one first. This one we already did shoot. So this is a money bouquet, and this was made specially for someone very special. Actually, it's for the provost of my school, so she's celebrating her feast day. She's a reverend sister, so the class actually was thinking about something they could give to her, and she already has many. Being a sister, it was quite difficult to choose the kind of gifts they want to give to her. They were also contemplating on giving her a picture frame, but she already has many picture frames. Even our class have done picture frame for her in the past, and other classes too. So someone came up with the idea of giving her a money bouquet. Even though this is going to be a very small gift, it is attached to something. Like, this is not what they're going to be presenting to her alone. This is accompanied something. So I decided to hit one woman that I know that does it on Instagram, and she delivered. And so here we have this beautiful money bouquet. We hope that she's going to like it. That is that for that. It is on Wednesday and today is Friday, so we are going to hide it from every other people till Wednesday. Oh, today is Sunday. Next I have here is my package I got from, I ordered something on Instagram as usual. So this is supposed to be an overhead tripod. You know, when you want to cook or when you want to maybe film from your bed, I don't know, when you want to try to do something nice and you don't want the camera to be like this, you want it to be capturing you from the up. That is what this is. I'm a little space, I love it a little better. So here is how this one is. I was actually supposed to buy this with a tripod stand, but the kind of tripod stand I want to buy, I want the one that comes with a ring light, not like a ring light, a LED light. So I didn't want to buy from that particular vendor because hers was actually very expensive. So I'm going to go to a nearby market here in Owerri and get that one. But this one, I think I'm not going to see it there. That's why I got it from that side. So you just have to clip this one. When I buy a tripod, like the LED lights, I'm going to show how it's going to be. So you just have to clip this one to that place, and then the hook, it comes with a it comes with a phone holder. So I would couple all those ones in, and then I'll just, it will make more sense when everything is complete. But here's just how this one is. That is that about that. This is my favorite item actually. I bought this because of my smoothie. I bought this because of my smoothie, and it's this one I saw on Instagram. So it is this cute cup that I bought because of anything we see. How much did she buy this thing? So let's sample this one. Let me go and rinse it.
It's from Lagos.
Nah, it's from Lagos. Where again? Let me go and wash it. Who they call me? Let me go and wash it and
This video is so realistic.
nah.
But that look could kill. They are trying so hard to find all the weaknesses inside, but it's gonna spill. Oh, can we take a minute, turn and face the critics? Let's put flowers in our hair like we don't care. And dance a village clown pose. Nobody's stopping our groove. Oh, that's good. It's just you and me. And making it laugh with your moves. Ain't no stopping our groove. Oh, that's good.
Okay. You can come and test.
go some fun like one of a kind, girl, till morning's here. But when opinions start to guide us, we won't let them define us. No, we'll play it by ear. And I know that you're shy, but we can clown around tonight. You know the circus leaves town when it's out, and there's a village clown booth. Nobody's stopping our groove. Ooh, that's good. It's just you and me, and making it laugh with your moves. Ain't no stopping our groove. Ooh, that's good. It's just you and me, and we can clown around, yeah, and we can clown around. And it's just you and me. Now it's your turn to clown around and take a train to Freaky Town, and we could just clown around like this, you know. We could just clown around a bit and dance a village clown moves. Nobody's stopping our groove. Oh, that's good. It's just you and me, and making it laugh with your moves. Ain't no stopping our groove. Oh, that's good. It's just you and me, and we can clown around, yeah, and we can clown around. And it's just you and me, and we can clown around, yeah, and we can clown around when it's just you and me.
Okay, dinner is served. Let me. Hi everyone. So I recently developed my malaria. Not like I always have malaria because of I don't know, when it starts coming to exam period. I know that when my exam period approach, I know that I need to treat malaria. So I went to the hospital. In my school here, we have an insurance we have an health insurance. I don't even know how to explain it. But every month we have a certain amount of money that the hospital gives to us. So every month there is a money that is allocated to each student. So if you're sick, if you have headache, if you have malaria, if you have anything, you can go to the hospital and then you go to the pharmacy to get drugs. So that money that you have for that month is going to be deducted from the drugs you are going to be getting. For example, if I have malaria, or if I have any kind of thing, let's use myself as an example. I have malaria, I go to the hospital, I meet the doctor checks me, he looks at me, he checks for the signs and symptoms I'm presenting, and then he prescribes a drug for me, or I tell him the drug I want, and then he writes them down. I take what he has written to the pharmacist and I give it to him, and he gives me the drug. Now if the drug is above the amount that I have insurance for, I am going to pay the balance. For example, if the school is giving 5,000 naira and the drugs I am going to get is worth 6,000 naira, I am going to balance up 1,000 naira. So the school is going to take care of the 5,000 naira because that's my insurance money. Yeah. So I went to the hospital and I was given this malaria drug. I've even started it. This is the last day, I think. Where is that one? Oh wow. I got artemether tablets, I got ciprofloxacin, I got vitamin C, the 1 gram, and then I got malaria drug. This one is an injection. So today is the last day for me to take the injection, so I'm just going to aspirate the injection, and I'm supposed to take it on my buttocks. Since I can't inject myself, I'm going to look for someone that's going to inject me this drug, because I think taking an injection on your buttocks is actually less painful. I don't know, but I prefer it on my buttocks than on my thighs or something. This is a artemether injection actually. So Priska! So when nurses do like this, they are trying to actually add hair. They don't want to inject you with hair, because I mean they're not supposed to inject you with hair. they're supposed to be giving you the injection, not hair. So when we do like this, we're trying to remove the excess hair that is there, or the hair that is there actually. So another major thing, you need to change the needle. Whenever somebody is giving you an injection and the person is using that needle that the person used to aspirate, make sure you tell that person to change that needle, because this particular needle is going to be very painful.
Another major reason why they change needles is because they want to prevent the spread of infection. So just in case the original bottle where they syringe out the medication was contaminated, if they use that same needle on you, it is going to pass the infection from that bottle to your body. So in order to prevent such, they just simply have to change the needle after syringing the bottle, because it might be malhandled from maybe the pharmacist or any other person, or even from the person that wants to give you the injection. So it's very important you change your needle.
The needle that comes with the syringe is kind of bigger than this one, so this one is smaller than this one, and smaller needles do not go pain you. So let me look for someone that's going to inject this on me. And Priska, why are you happy?
I'm not happy. I was just smiling. It's not as if I'm happy.
Say, my roomie don't give me one for you.
Where you want?
May that girl no use us play when we go there. So see you guys, my nurse is here. Hello. Hello. So what do you want to do now?
I want to give you an injection.
Is it going to be a painful procedure?
No, it's not going to be a painful procedure.
Are you sure?
Yes. I just need you to cooperate with me.
All right, let me show her the sites of injection.